Welcome to this guided tutorial on creating clickable links on a WordPress website in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. As soon as the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will see a login option. Clicking on this login area opens a menu that provides various ways to access your site management area. After you click on login, you will notice an option that says continue with Google. Selecting this option starts the process of signing into your WordPress account using your Google credentials. At this stage, you will be prompted to choose the specific Google account you wish to use. Simply click on the account that is relevant for your website management, and you will then be successfully signed in. Once logged in, the next destination is the quick link section available on your dashboard. In this area, you will see several navigation options designed to streamline the editing process of your website. Look for the Edit Site option within Quick Links and click on it. This action transfers you to the site editing interface where you can personalize your website further. Inside the site editor, you will be presented with a list of all the websites associated with your account. Identify your website by its name or design and click on it to open the editing view. This view allows you to make real-time changes to your site's content and design. When you are ready to add a clickable link, start by selecting or highlighting the text that you want to transform into a link. The highlighted text serves as the anchor that users will click on to navigate to the desired destination. After selecting the text, move your focus to the editing toolbar where you will find an icon resembling a chain link. This icon is a universal symbol for linking content. Clicking on the chain link icon will open up a small dialog box or input field meant for entering the URL that corresponds to your chosen destination. Take your time to carefully type the URL into the field, ensuring that every character is correctly entered. Precision in this step is important so that your audience reaches the intended page when they click the link. Once the URL is correctly typed and visible in the dialog box, confirm the action by clicking the option provided, which attaches the link to your highlighted text. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Locate the Save option within the site editor and click it so that WordPress updates your website with the new clickable link. Saving your changes is crucial as it ensures that all modifications are permanently retained and reflected on your live site. This complete process allows you to effectively add clickable links to your WordPress content. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you ensure that visitors to your website can easily navigate to additional resources or pages through your carefully placed links. Happy editing and enjoy an enhanced user experience on your WordPress site.